Hi my dear beginner violin player! Welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. Number 8. Belarusian folk song. Here pay attention, you have 4 bars of break. Please first look at the tempo, andante, BPM 70. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now try to do it by yourself. After you play the song, you have to exercise this song. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't so easy. That's why we have 3 more exercises. The yellow sticker here, just right here, says play accurately to a metronome. Play 16th note in the middle of the bow. Please pay attention on your bow. Your bow have to be exactly in the middle between bridge and fingerboard, just like this girl on the video. Let's have a look. Repeating note couple of times might help you with intonation. For example, if first time you play note out of tune, for the second, third and fourth time you can correct yourself and not do that mistake again. Exercise number 2. Let's check what our sticker says. Use the same amount of the bow for every 8 note. Respect music repeats. I want you to play in the middle of the bow. It's not necessary to play all the time with the accompaniment. Sometimes, if you feel like, you can play without piano and a metronome. And exercise 3, bow stroke legato and smooth bow changes. For bow stroke legato, I want you to play upper half of the bow. Like this we will learn how to use our bow better. No matter it's 1 note on full bow or 2 notes on full bow or maybe 100 notes on full bow. You always have to remember that first we are placing the finger and then we are moving the bow. Just to clarify for yourself where you have to place the finger, what kind of note value you have in the song. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they are playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using the stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.